There are two sides to the shortwave radio hobby. One is getting on the shortwaves and listening to the radio, and the other one is having a good old natter about it.
Hello, I'm Peter, and you're watching Long in the Tooth Television.
We've got three places here where we can go for a good old natter about shortwave radio and learn a lot more about it. First two I'm going to tell you about. You may know about some of these already, but you might not know about all three. The first two are Facebook groups, and the first one is Shortwave Radio Portables DX. Does what it says on the can. It's mainly for people who are using portables. They want to get DX, they want to connect antennas up to their radios, and pick up a few extra stations, sharing the hobby in that way. It's a brilliant group. The other one is the OfficialSWL That's Gilles' group. I don't know the name of the cat, but it's a great group on Facebook, and also, as I'm sure you may know, an excellent YouTube channel as well. So that's worth looking up if you haven't done so already. The links are all in the comments down below. And the last one I want to mention, last but not least, is the International Shortwave League. These issue call signs. When you remember, even if you're a shortwave listener, they issue you with a call sign you can use. I did this way when I was about this high, over 50 years ago. And I contacted them only last summer to see if they could remember my call sign. I could remember it. So, can you remember my call sign? Can I become a member again? Do you still exist? And they did, and they got back to me, and they still exist. The same guys running it from 1947, I think it is. They do it classic style. They send you a magazine, it's called Monitor. That comes regularly, and there's another magazine here that comes through the post. It's for ham radio operators and shortwave listeners. That's the nice thing about the International Shortwave League. And you get a little badge as well, which I don't know where I've put it. I wanted to wear it. I'll show you when I find it. So three places we can go to have a good old natter about shortwave radio. I hope you enjoy them. You can also have a natter here, of course, on our comments. Very welcome to do that. So good to see you again. More videos coming up. Thank you if you subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Love to have you on board. See you next time. Thanks for watching.